Hey you guys, we're back with another video, and today I wanted to show you guys my routine for my braids. This can work for box braids or knotless, and it's summertime. I know it's protective style season for some of you, so I'm going to show you my routine to keep my scalp itch free, flaky free, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. So as you can see, there's some flaking from some edge control I've been using and some shed hairs that are sticking out the braids there. These braids were really tight in the beginning, but doing this routine really helped loosen them up. As you can see, my hair is starting to want to come out so badly in the back. So it's about that time to take them out. So what I first like to do is go in the shower and just let the water hit the front of my hair, just the edges and everything. You can do your whole head if you want to, but we're just going to do a quick routine here. So I'm just going to rub the water through the front of my hair, get my hairline going, and then after that we're going to follow up with this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. I love this stuff for moisturizing, you guys, and it prevents excess buildup and everything because it's a very lightweight product, and I only have seen it really in CVS, but it's amazing. So if you find it, I do highly recommend grabbing it. I don't know what it is. It's not regular water, y'all. It's something special. So we're going to follow up with the Sunday to Sunday Root Refresh. This is their micellar rinse with apple cider vinegar. And you guys, I did a whole video on this line. It's super, super soothing to the scalp, especially because I do like to work out every day. So this really helps keep my scalp clean before, the next wash day and everything. So if you do work out and you want to remove excess oil and all that without making your hair dry out, this is the product for you. So I really like these two sprays to start off the routine, and I kind of just rub them all into my scalp. This next product was super random. I saw it in Target and I was like, OMG, what is this? And this is just the Shea Moisture Wig and Weave Scalp Soother. So you're supposed to use this under your weaves to prevent itch and things like that, but I found out it actually works really well for protective styles. So this little bottle you can definitely find in Target. It has aloe vera in it and it just soothes the scalp. So I really like to put it in the areas that itch the most. So that's sometimes the sides, hit the back a little bit, get the middle of my head. It's super soothing. It has, let's see, tea tree oil, aloe vera, and all these other kind of seeds and oils. I don't know. It was just a random pickup and it was a success. So if you suffer from itch like I do, I definitely recommend this for protective styles. Now, I know there's a lot of controversy with this one, but if you're still using oils on your scalp, I just use the Gro Stimulating Hair Oil. No particular reason. I just liked the applicator bottle, and of course with these braids and everything, the pointy tips do me really well. So I just wanted to kind of seal and add on to the soothing of my scalp. I don't know if you've noticed, but the whole point of this routine is just to keep the scalp healthy. I believe, you can't have a protective style if your scalp is dry and thirsty, and it's just your hair is not going to grow in the style. So I really wanted to keep focus on my scalp this round. So I really had a nice routine. I do this at least once a week, and my scalp's itch free. I'm loving it. My scalp seems happy. We're good to go. I'm making sure to just squeeze and smooth out that oil all onto my strands, even the braids, even though I know it's fake hair, but I just hit the bottom just out of habit. But I want to make sure that the hair that's in there is moisturized and sealed. But next, we're going to move on to our edges. For my edges, we're going to use another Sunday to Sunday product, and this is their Edge Flourish, which is a daily nourishing serum infused with biotin. And I love this stuff because I never really paid attention to my edges before, but this stuff really makes you want to. It's really lightweight, clear substance, no crazy smells or anything, and you just rub it in. It's super simple and your hair is protected. It has sunflower seed and coconut oil in there, helps repair and strengthen the hair. As I said before, I felt like these braids were really tight in the beginning, but I made sure to rub this Edge Flourish into my edges just to make sure they're okay and not being pulled on too tight. And here I am just following up with a little bit of edge control because I was about to head out, so I just wanted to clean those up a little bit. Then just to end it off, we're just gonna tie up my hair with a scarf and let it sit for a few. And I kind of just like letting my scalp dry before I, go out or go to bed. I just like to have all the products just kind of sit and absorb into my scalp. Okay, here we are a few days later, and of course the braids look the same, but my scalp, y'all, my scalp, it feels so good. There's no irritation, there's no flaking, like it's doing really well. Of course, I do not pull on the shed hair, so we're just gonna leave those there until wash day. But my scalp feels amazing, you guys. I really want you guys to follow this routine. If you are suffering from itchy scalp, or maybe if your braids are too tight, this routine will definitely help loosen them up and have your scalp feeling much better. Oh, and here's a little OOTD. I was going out for Father's Day. I got this little shirt dress from H&M. The shoes and the bag are from Shein, and the belt, I don't know, maybe rainbow or something. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and make sure to subscribe. We have more videos on the way. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.